Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to enable message requests from server members you may not know on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to our Discord profile. So from here, we need to go, just look at the bottom of their screen, and we have about 5 icons. We need to click on the bottom right icon that has our little profile picture on it, and that will bring us here. So we have set status, account, user profile, privacy, and safety. So we're going to need to click on privacy and safety. We have a couple of options here. We have save direct messaging, server privacy defaults, activity status, and then message requests. Enable message requests from server members you may not know. So we're going to just flip the switch. And do you want to also apply this change to all your existing servers? You can also disable message requests on individual servers by visiting that server settings page. We're going to click on yes, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.